Now we start doing the fun thing. We're gonna make these buttons clickable. When you click on a button, it will go to the next question. How can you do that? Very easy. Adding click listener. Go to our activity, main activity. Reduce this a little bit or hide it entirely. Here we're gonna put something called listeners. Why? So in order to make this code cleaner, we're gonna extract all of these from our code. Load. Okay, so just add this here. Adding listeners to the buttons. How can you do that? We have 4 buttons. We have propositions button 1 dot set listener, set key listener, set on click listener. This means when you click on the button, you're gonna do some actions. Set on click listener. Now here we need to implement our listener. Control space, didn't work. New on click listener, and then click on enter. Perfect. Here we have our on click listener. When you click on our button, we're gonna do something. What are we going to do? Of course, when we click on something, this means the user has chosen set answer. This means the user has answered the question. The user has answered the questions, right? User answered the question. We go to the next question. So we just put answer, and then here we're gonna give it like answer 1. User answer once, and then we can do load next question, because the logic here, when the user answers, we're gonna update our model, so we need to redraw, reset our everything, reset our question, everything. So it is better to put this thing inside this function, because even the question number will be higher, will be updated, so we need to re-update this thing. Now we need to implement this answer 1, answer 2, answer 3, answer 4. We're gonna do the logic later on. So we just copy this, gonna do the same thing for the 4 bottom. Okay, so here answer 1, he answered answer number 2, answer number 3, answer number 4. Here we have position 4, 3, position 2, the answer 1, answer 2, answer 3. Now the fun part begins. Here, create the method answer. Here we're gonna check the answer. How can we do that? Right. First, it's correct. If answer is correct, so we don't care about for the correct answer. First, you need to increase the total question answered. The code is here. So we're gonna bring this a little bit higher here. I'll be reusing this one since I already coded it. Simple code. I'll be using this one. How do we know if it is correct or not? We're gonna call it answer 1. How do we check whether it's correct or not? So since we are using